Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about a strategy that can actually help you get more results in your affiliate marketing business. So this is a strategy that most people don't talk about, but I have literally tested it out and it works the best. And also, if you notice, many super affiliates who are already making 6-7 figures with affiliate marketing, they use the kind of same strategy. If you go and reverse engineer the strategy what they are using. So I'm going to cover everything in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be talking about funnels and email marketing and etc. If you are interested, please hit that subscribe button. And also be sure to check the first link in the description, that is program created by Mahendrakar, if you want to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing. So coming back to today's topic, like the strategy what I'm talking is like, especially when people who are trying to get started with affiliate marketing, so they tend to go to different affiliate networks. They sign up, they get the product details, they get their affiliate links, maybe they go through the reviews, and so that they can create review videos about it, or like any other stuff, and like you go about and start promoting that product. So instead of doing that, like what I highly recommend you is like this strategy. Like what I do is, personally, like I pick up 2 to 3 related products in that particular niche, and then like I combine them, I create my own product. And then once I have my own product, like you can literally like in your own product, like you can literally pre-educate about those affiliate tools and how that tools can help them. So this is literally how you can do, and this becomes much more effective way. And whatever product you are going to create, you can sell it for free as a lead magnet, or maybe you can charge in order to get high quality leads. So I'm going to cover that in a later part. So this is the main baseline, like what we are going to talk today. So, and how effectively this works. So let's consider an example. Like for example, if you are in affiliate marketing niche, so you must be aware of Clickfunnels and Clickfunnels software. That is basically a funnel bidding software, and I personally use it, so I know about that product, and it pays up to 40% recurring commissions. So I know that is one of the good products to sell, because if anybody who wants to grow online, who is an entrepreneur, like he needs such funnel. So I'm aware about that, what target audience I'm trying to get. So that is one of my product. And another product I want to complement that, I will use ActiveCompaign or Getresponse, because these are the autoresponders that people need in order to, like if somebody don't want to go to Clickfunnels $297 plan, who wants to just stick with $97 plan, he can go for a third party autoresponder, which will cost him only $15 per month, and that go both in hand. So this is another product. You can add multiple products, like it could be Shopify store, or you can add another multiple products like Bluehost if you're promoting web hosting. So the different things, like you can club together. And I'm just taking an example of Clickfunnels and ActiveCompaign. And with this, what I will do is, like I will go ahead and create a course, or it could be in the form of video training, or it could be in the form of a blog post, or like it could be in the form of PDF, like whatever you wish. Like it totally depends on your product, on your niche. So go ahead and start. Like it could be for Clickfunnels and softwares. Like you can once you choose your niche, like for me, my niche is like affiliate marketing people, like who wants to get started with affiliate marketing. So what I will do is, I will go ahead and create a course on affiliate marketing, and like how they can get started with affiliate marketing, what is the importance of value model, what is the importance of email marketing, why do they need a funnel, the importance of sales funnel, and and I will also talk about like how they can create a sales funnel, shoulder screen, doing a screen sharing, so that they can help, and how that tool can use them. So if you do it this way, like it could be a 4 to 5 day training, or it could be more than that, or it could be a free PDF on how to get 6 packs. If you are in a health niche, so there are different niche, different products, like the way you can go about it. I just laid out the structure, because the main core principles, like who you want to sell, like what you want to sell, and the traffic strategy, these all main core pillars remains the same. I'm just talking about the strategy here. So if you do it this way, like and once you do this, like once you create a free course or a free PDF and pre-educate about your product or offer in that training, and then you can use this free training as a lead magnet. So now the question comes, like how do I sell this, like what are different traffic strategies? So now if I'm trying to sell Clickfunnels or ActiveCompaign, so I will go ahead and create videos about affiliate marketing. I will go ahead and create about e-commerce, or different types of business where Clickfunnels can become much of help. So I create content around that, or if you don't want to do that, you can directly run ads to your free training as a lead magnet. If you have money, if you want to stick with the free traffic strategies, like you can go ahead and create on YouTube, or you can create a blog post, or you can, while having conversation or people with people on Facebook. Like if you try to pitch your offer immediately at the first go, like people are, because they don't know you though, so they may not buy you from immediately. So instead, like you can offer, hey, I see like you are in this industry, like I made a video course about it, like that's absolutely free, and if you want to get started, just go ahead and check it out. And trust me, you're not even like directly selling Clickfunnels or ActiveCompaign there. You're just guiding them through this, like this is how you go about your business, this is how you set these things up, and you need Clickfunnels for this, and if you don't have an account, just click on the link below and you can just get it. So this is such a simple structure, like, guys. Like maybe you can just create a blog post. I saw somebody doing this, like I saw an ad, like he literally, there is no opt-in, nothing. So what he did was he wrote a beautiful article about how they can set up a website. So basically, like how they can create content, how they can pick niches and all that stuff, like from zero to how they can grow their business. Instead of a video form, they created a blog post and they started running ad on that article. So once I clicked on that article, I saw like it was so perfectly structured. Like then they have not done anything fancy, they are just educating people about like how they can build a website, and in that they are selling like Bluehost, I could see, Namecheap, GoDaddy. Like these are the hosting and domains that people need in order to set up those websites, and people won't be even aware that they are selling those things to them, because they are just telling them to just however you need them, so just buy through my link. So this is another example. I just gave an example. The one I gave an example of Clickfunnels and ActiveCompaign, and the another one is Bluehost, because I'm in this make money online wealth creation niche. So I mostly know about these products. It totally depends on your product, your niche, but trust me, guys, if you do it this way, the conversion rates you're gonna see is very massive, and the selling becomes much easier. It starts running on autopilot, and it also gives you much this is a little trick, like I just wanted to share, because I have learned about this, and once I started implementing, I could see results in my business. So I hope you got value from this video, guys, and if you need any help with your online business, be sure to check the first link in the description, and you can get started with high ticket affiliate marketing. Also, if you want a free training from my mentor, that's absolutely free. You can just go to sachinmahendrakar.com. You will get it for free, and if you have any questions, if you want to connect with me, you can email me directly, and if you are enjoying my content, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you for watching.